Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video today to watch. How are you all? I hope you're all doing okay. So you can tell by the title, I have a reallocation of my spring savings challenges to share with you today. And it's going to be an exciting one, I think. I'm going to be reallocating this money into my sinking fund. So yeah, go ahead and grab yourself your favourite drink, your snacks, put your feet up and relax. And let's reallocate this money together today. Righty ho then. So yeah, if you've been watching my videos, thank you ever so much for the continuing support. If you just clicked on my channel, hello and welcome to Budget and Saving Essex. I am a mother and wife. I've got 2 daughters. I have 2 dogs, Striker and Peggy. Striker is a German Shepherd and Peggy is a sausage dog. Yes, a very strange combination. The sausage dog thinks she's a German Shepherd. And I do cash stuffing just on my income, my money that I receive. So this is just my personal money, as my husband has his money and he deals with his side of things, his end. But yeah, that's how we do it. That's how we've always done it. And I'm going to be reallocating this money today as I do a method of save to sink. So I have some fun with challenges, get my challenges done, and then I can do then a big reallocation of them challenges to put into my sinking funds. And yeah, it's just a nice and fun way of doing it. So I have here the Sticky UK Spring Challenge, which I completed in week 3, which would have been last week. And yeah, I love this. Oh, just how pretty is that? So here should be £200. So I've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95 and 2. So that's £200 there. We'll put that to one side. Then I've got the Lily Ray Designs Heads or Tails challenge from her spring collection. And this saved me 95 I should have here. So I've got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95. Oh, didn't mean to knock you. If you're also new to my channel, you'll also get used to me knocking the tripod and the camera all the time. And me constantly saying sorry. Tulip Top from J Cash Stuffing. You know what? I actually had a lot of fun with this one. I bought it and sort of put it to the back of my pile of things. But I actually had the most fun with this one. I did really enjoy this. And this saved me £60. So 20, 40, 50, 60. So we are going to just sort this out, have a little count up all together, and then I'm just going to take a minute to sort my life out, as always. So I should have 355. So let's have a little count. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 93, 10, 20, 30, 45, 55. Fantastic. So that's £355. I'm going to try and do a fan for my thumbnail. I'm not very good at fans. Some people do fans. They do I'm really good with it. I'm just rubbish. See what I mean? There we go. Let's see if we can. Well, it's not too terrible, is it? I mean, not too terrible. Right. Okay then. It's a beautiful day here in Essex. It's actually just a little bit chilly the other day, or the other week, whenever it was. Anyway, shall we get on with it? Right, first things first then. I've got my list, but I actually haven't got any particular order. So I think I'm going to go into here and just work my way through the envelopes and gauge from my list next to me. First up then, into my sinking funds, and I've got clothes. Now, I'm putting £100 in here today, but this isn't for me or for the girls or anything like that. I've actually already spent this money. So Harriet, by the time you're watching this, She'll either be on her residential trip or she would have just come back. I don't quite know when I'm putting this video up. 2040, yeah, 2040, 60, 81. But yeah, she needed like some bits for her trip and everything. So I sort of knew I was going to be getting these challenges done. So I allocated £100 of this to go towards paying for some bits for her trip. So yeah, got 20, 40, 60, 81. So yeah, that will basically be going to the credit card. Is the long and short of that. School. Yes, we're putting into school. So Star is my youngest, and she is currently in year 1 in primary school. And she's just changed schools. So she started her new school just after Easter. So I've already done a big school shop for her, and I did about £90 to £100 on getting her new shoes and obviously the uniform that she needed. But today I am adding into here £20, and that gets this tracker up to date. So at least the tracker and the money coincide with each other. So yeah, I don't think I'm really going to have to get her anything for September. We'll have my summer challenges done before then, before they go back in September. So yeah, if I do need to sort of top hers up, I will from the summer savings challenges. Buffer isn't getting anything, but senior school is. So this is Harriet. This is my eldest. She is going to be leaving in July and starting her secondary school in September. And she's currently got 170 in the bank for her school uniform, and I'm adding in 30 today. I'll colour these offline because it's going to get too long otherwise. So that's 170, 180, £200 in there now. The aim is 150. I wish the aim is 250, but of course this is just from my money. So James will obviously put towards all these things as well. So yeah, so I think I'm going to keep that at 200. See how I get on with buying her uniform. And then anything extra, then James can, of course, help out there. So, yeah, and then the buffer has got a cheeky £5 in. So I need to get that back up to 50. But I did use the buffer to buy, to help me buy Star stuff. Right, wellness isn't getting anything. Wellness is really healthy. At the minute, I've got like £55 in health. I've got £50 in the buffer, and I don't think I've got anything in the beauty because I did spend all of that. Hold on. Yeah, I did spend all of that on James's birthday. Right, moving on to family. So, household first is getting £50. 50. I don't know what I've got in here actually. So, what have I got in here? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, brilliant. Oh, okay. Fantastic. So, I've caught up with the tracker and I've done some more. So, I've got 20, 40, 60, 70, £80 in household now. That is fantastic. You know what? That's really good, actually, because I did take the full 50 out to buy Ostara's mattress topper. So to get that back up to the 50 plus some more, that's really, really good. I'm really happy with that. Buffer isn't getting anything, but eating out is, and that's getting 35. I think I've only got £10 in here. Yeah. So I've got 20, 30, 45 now in there. Oh, in. Okay, and yeah, Buffer isn't getting anything, but Buffer has got £5. Right, car isn't getting anything because that's absolutely, like, we're really on track with that. So yeah, I don't need to put anything into there. Buffer is our family buffer. So yeah, I just sort of put some money digitally over to this, like once a week, once a month, whenever I sort of build up enough to put into there. In here at the minute, I've got 500, 775 in there at the moment. So yeah, that is good. And then this is my personal emergency fund, and that's got 500 in. So that is everything into that binder. And then we're going to go to this one and have a little look-see through here. These birthdays I'm getting nothing, but what we are putting into is general gifts, and I'm putting £10 into here. And I'm going to use these 2 5s because this is more for like school friends. So Star has got a little party coming up. So yeah, I will have to buy a little gift and whatnot. So I've got 5, 10, 15. There. Birthday cakes isn't getting anything, and then we're on to school holidays, and really excited because I'm going to be completing the summer holiday today, and this is going to be getting, what's it getting? 60. So 20, 40, 50, 60, and yes. So again, this is, I will colour this off camera. I always post pictures up on my Instagram at Budget and Saving Essex. So come over there and give me a follow. And yeah, I always post pictures up of my completed challenges and stuff. But yeah, I am, say, adding £60 today. And this should be 375. So let's have a count. So I've got 100, 200, 300 in the bank, 20, 40, 50, 60, 75. So yeah, that is again my contribution to it. So yeah, James, if I do need any extra, James is, of course, he's always giving extra money and stuff. So yeah, but we'll start off with that for the 6 weeks, see how we get on. Anywho, right, May half term is fully funded. We're not putting anything in October. Where else am I putting money? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Oh, of course. Holiday. Here we go. So I'm putting the remaining 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 into holiday. So yeah, I am adding that into here today. So that's exciting. So shall we cross off 50? Because when I've done this before, I didn't do it on here. So I've got 20, 40, and then there's a 10 there for 50. Brilliant. So £100 in the bank, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 160 there. There we go. That is everything. Nothing into Mother's Day, Father's Day, none of that. That's all just nada. It's not getting no love. Because we don't need to yet. We don't need to give it any love just yet. So there we are, guys. So, well, I mean, I feel like that money went really quick, didn't it? £355. But wow, I feel so much happier getting that money into my sinking funds, into my binders. It's just such an amazing feeling. And don't get me wrong, I do toy with myself a lot on how I should be doing my cash stuffing. I see so many different ways of how people do it. Some people do like a monthly one, and then they do some weeklies, and then they put money in every week and just use their sort of rollover money to do challenges. And it's really hard. But at the minute, I'm actually just really enjoying doing savings challenges and then building that money up and then putting it into, into my sinking funds and doing it that way. I've been doing this for like 18 months now, and I've chopped and changed so many times of how I do it. But that's the beauty of cash stuffing. It really, really is. You can change up how you do it from week to week, if that's how you want to do it. You know, I mean, I don't think you'd get anything done, like, but keep chopping and changing how you do it. But you can change it from month to month, you know, and every time your new budget comes in, you can sort of change it up of how you want to do it, and everything. But yeah, I just 100% this method works. And yeah, I just had so much fun completing them challenges and putting them into my sinking funds today. And I really hope that you enjoyed it too. I'm going to leave it there. Thank you ever so much. If you did get through to the end of the video, if you could leave this emoji in the comments below, I would really appreciate it. Thank you ever so much for watching. Thank you for your continuing support. As always, I hope you're having a great day and a great week. And I'm going to see you all really soon. Bye-bye.